Kia ora guys, I just wanted to pop in, leave you a quick Zoom video and say I'm not gone. I'm definitely not gone. I just have a normal job like most of you guys do, and normal jobs can be tiring sometimes. Plus I'm trying to turn this room into something that isn't white. See insert of last video for my other channel that I eventually want to get back to as well. So, today, just a quick Zoom video. The conditions were perfect this morning, so I popped outside. It's about 2.5 kilometers from an area very close to here, across to Bayswater. So that's across the motorway, across a lot of water. And it was just that perfect golden tinge of an orange morning. And I just wanted to show how clear it can be at this distance. So if you enjoy your Nikon P1000, if you're still thinking about buying a Nikon P1100, this is still the channel. There are still many videos here. I have been hearing your requests. I promise you I will try and get to them. I like your requests except for the ones that aren't, doable, like one side of the planet to the other side of the planet. That's not a thing. It's never gonna be a thing, guys. It's not, no. But I've had some low light requests that I really do want to get to because I don't think there are many low light videos on this channel. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So, enjoy the video. Have a great day.
Super Zoom.